The Jedel Combo 3-in-1 pack is a versatile solution for your computing needs. This package includes a keyboard, mouse, and mousepad, offering a complete set for your desktop or laptop. The keyboard is designed for comfort and efficiency, with responsive keys that make typing a breeze. The included mouse is ergonomic and precise, ensuring smooth navigation and accurate clicks. To top it off, the pack includes a quality mousepad that enhances the performance of the mouse. With this bundle, you can streamline your workspace, improve your workflow, and enjoy a more efficient computing experience, all at an affordable price. The Jedel Combo 3-in-1 pack is your gateway to enhanced productivity.